Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how do you create viral AI UGC videos for your brand. Before we jump into the full demo, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, here is the 5-point agenda for today's video class. We're going to talk about why AI UGC videos, why you should care about this. Then I'll share my favorite, a secret tool, one of the best tools to create AI UGC videos. We'll do a step-by-step demo, and then there are two bonuses at the end. So make sure you stay till the end. One of the bonuses, you don't have to pay monthly for this tool. There's a special deal, affiliate I have that you can grab. Number two is also, I'm going to show you how people are using AI UGC video as a secret hack to grow on social media. So number one, again, why AI UGC videos? So you'll notice, now you'll notice after watching this video, there's several accounts on TikTok and Instagram that are using these AI UGC video. This is the AI character, and they're gonna attach a product demo. It's actually by this tool that we're gonna look at today, and they are growing their social media presence by using this. Here is another account. It is an AI UGC video, viral hook, and then after that there's a product mention or demo of the product. And again, why? Because you don't have to pay influencers. You don't have it's cost effective. You can use this tool to create hundreds of these videos in literally seconds. And now let's talk about the tool and the demo. The tool we're going to use is called Yorby. I am an affiliate. There's a link below. You can grab like a lifetime deal of this tool. You don't have to use my affiliate link, but it is one of the best tools that I have used in a long time. And you'll see why in just a few seconds. So let's actually go look at the step-by-step demo. I'm gonna get started, log in, and a simple dashboard once you create your account. A couple of things I wanna walk through today, do a step-by-step demo. Let's go to AI Content Studio. And there are different tabs here. First one, AI avatar creation. This is where you can create your AI avatar. It's really simple. Select the age, let's select the gender, race, and then I'm gonna say attractive college student. You can attach reference photo, select the aspect ratio, resolution, and then when you click here, it's gonna create your AI avatar. So if I click on this, make it big, you'll notice here is AI avatar first one, here is the second one, and then you can use these to make your videos. So let's talk about that. Step number two, or feature number two, hook plus demo. This is the meat and potato of this tool, and you can basically use viral hook, attach your demo to create AI UGC videos for your own brand. It's really simple. I've done it a few times. I'm just gonna walk you through one of the runs that I've done. And actually, when you click on the run, it's actually a 4-step process. Step number one, you're gonna pick a source hook or a demo video. Number two, you're gonna use or generate your AI UGC avatar, which is here. Step number three is you're gonna create or generate a hook video. And step number four is you're gonna stitch that hook video with your product demo. That's the whole process. So let's go to step number one. This is where you pick a source hook. Actually, let me do it. Go back and click on new run and just show you the beginning. I've already done some runs, but I'll just to show you because this is where the magic is. They have a huge database of viral hooks. So when you click here, you'll notice all of these hooks are right here. You can go to next. Here is the next hook. Here is another one. If you click on browse, look at this huge library of these hooks. Oh, that's pretty neat. Right? So you can use any of these hooks. For example, let's say if you want to use this hook, you'll just use it as a source. And then it's gonna analyze this video and extract some elements from it. For that, let's go back to the run I've already done so we can speed up this demo. So once it analyzes everything, this is what it looks like. This is the viral hook I selected for this. It captures the actual text. So this is the actual text from it. It captures the caption, and then this is the original video. You can trim it. So this is the hook timing 3.6 seconds. The total video, I believe, was longer video, 15 seconds. But we just, in step number 1, we want a hook that's already gone viral. So once you do that, then you hit next. And then this is where you select reference image. So for that, let's say I want to use one of these. I'll just click here. And then I will click on generate variations. And you can see it basically from my AI avatar, it generated a variation that kind of looks like, for example, the original video. If you look at the original video, original hook, look at the girl looking at the laptop, kind of like it looks like it's evening or nighttime. So that's exactly what I did in step number 2. It generated 3 different looks. So you can pick your favorite look. Let's say if I like this one, then next, and now you're gonna go to the 3rd step. This is where it's gonna take your AI avatar's look that I created in step number 2, and it's gonna use the source viral video that you have, and then it's gonna generate a hook video for you. Now let me play this. If you don't like this, you can click on regenerate and it will do another one. But if I replay this, that is pretty nice expression, right? So it's like 3.6 seconds. So now click on next. It's gonna go to the next phase. This is where the original hook was this, the original text was this. You can add remix instruction. For example, I said change it, make it about passive income, because my video is going to be about passive income. For you, it could be anything. Just add your brand here. Maybe you want to change it and make it for fashion brand, make it for lipstick, make it for real estate agent. So you can remix that hook and change it to fit your audience, your brand. And then here is the remix hook it came up with. And then I added the demo video here. So I already had recorded, this video came from, here you go. So I have already uploaded a demo video. So think of this could be your product demo. So here is actually one of my AI tools. And the demo was like 13 seconds, so we used that. But for you, it could be anything. It could be walkthrough of your tool. It could be walkthrough of your product. It could be, let's say, if you're a restaurant, maybe it's you're showing something being cooked in the kitchen. So it could be anything. It's your product demos. Because what we're doing is we're taking a viral hook and then we're attaching our product, stitching our product demo. And then you have option of using the music. So you can use music from the original source video. Pick from the library or no music. I said no music for the purpose of the demo. And then this was, once you stitch everything together, this was the final video. So if I play this, let me see if so reaction and then my product demo. So we got the viral hook reaction and product demo. And then in just a few minutes, the video is done. And you can create, so imagine you didn't have to send any emails. You didn't have to work with any human influencers. You can just sit on your laptop and create hundreds of these videos using this tool, Yorby. And yes, my affiliate link is below that you can grab. So this is how you can create viral hook and demo videos. A couple of other features very quickly. If you go to Account Spy, you can add different accounts and then spy on them. You can track what's going viral for your competition and then use their hooks to make your videos. Number 2 is actually the script writing. This is where you can bring a video and then remix that into, like, let's say if you like a video online, but it's a totally different niche, you can bring that here, just add the link here, and then you can remix it for your audience, your content. It'll just create a script for you. And then going back to AI Content Studio, that was what we saw earlier. Now, bonus number 1, AppSumo has a really crazy deal for Yorby. My link is below. I believe for like $69, and it's not gonna last at this price. They have different licenses, but for $69, you can grab a lifetime deal. Don't have to worry about like a monthly payment. So my link is below. You don't have to use my link, but if you do, thank you in advance. I do get like a kickback affiliate commission, but totally up to you. But it's one of my favorite tools to create AI videos. Actually, for AI UGC videos, it's probably the best tool that I've seen. The bonus number 2, I think I kind of showed you this before. People are using AI UGC videos to grow their social media. You don't have to get on the camera, no shooting, no equipment, no editing, no reaching out to people, influencers, and begging them and paying them and stuff like that. You can just use this tool to create videos and then grow on social media account. That's like the kind of like the hidden secret a lot of people are doing, but they're not telling other people. So again, the tool is called Yorby. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.